You know how video editing is omnipresent nowadays? And how its codes and rules are complex and wide? What is video editing? We live in a world in which people who want to express themselves must face video editing. Ultimately, some of them will feel insecure about it, and others will lose a crazy amount of time trying to figure it out. So what is it? Is it about visual effects? Is it about fancy transitions? Is it about adding titles, adding music, or trimming the end? I know what it is. Editing is like writing. It's about seeing frames, pictures, titles, music, voices, dialogues, and sound as words. And it's about composing the best sentences to say what needs to be said. It's about building harmony within an orchestra of single elements. It's not a fixed and clear science. It's an art. People shouldn't have to learn a new art just to be able to express themselves. I don't want you to feel insecure. I don't want you to lose time. I want to listen to you. And I want to build the best sentences possible to say what you want to say. I'm here to facilitate your access to the full potential of video through my mastery of editing. I'm here to save you time, to make you gain confidence, and to bring out the best quality possible, as I've already done with many artists and businesses. I'm Elias. I'm a video editor, and I can't wait to meet you.